Let's go to page 311 and start with number 1. Here you have AM plus BM plus AN plus BN. Okay, so when you're doing the factoring, okay, you got to go through the checklist. So step 1, common factor, cannot, right? So you go down to step 2. So 2 terms, 3 terms, and more than 3 terms. So this is a 4 terms. You have to do the grouping. Okay, and when you're doing the grouping, you want to go ahead and do the normally just go by the same order. Unless you get stuck, then you can rearrange. Okay, so this becomes AM plus BM. Okay, and you always put a plus between the group. Okay, always put a plus between the group. AN plus BN. Okay, so now it becomes 2. So you have one big problem divided into 2 smaller problems. So focus on each smaller problem. So you can factor the M. So it becomes A plus B. Okay, this one you can factor the N. So it becomes A plus B. So now you got A plus B, you got A plus B. So you can factor out the A plus B. Okay, and when you factor out, it's gone. And so the leftover would be M plus N. Okay. Okay, number 3. You have mx minus nx minus my plus ny. So again, first you go and group them. And again, always put a plus between the group. Okay, so you can always put a plus between the group. Okay, always. That's very important. Okay, and then so now you can focus on each part. So this one you can factor out the x. So you got m minus n. Okay. Now this one, whenever you have negative in front, you also have to factor out the negative. So the sign, you can factor out the negative, and you can factor out the y. So when you factor out the negative, it's gone, so it becomes m minus n. Right? I can do a quick check. So this times this give you that. Negative times negative give you positive. Okay? Okay, then after that, you can see that you got m minus n, right? So you can factor out the group. So you got m minus n, and the leftover would be x minus y. Okay, again, when you factor, it's gone, right? Okay, number 5, you have xy plus x minus y minus 1. So again, this is 4 terms, so you have to do the step 2c. So let's go and group them. So always put a plus between the group, okay? And then you get negative y minus 1. Okay, okay, so I can focus on each half. So this one, you can factor the x. So you got y plus 1. And you also do the quick check. X times y give you xy. X times 1 give you x. Right? So don't just leave it blank, because you need to have, to get x, you have to x times 1. Okay? Then you go on this side. So again, when you start with a negative, you have to factor the negative. So factor the negative 1. So this becomes y plus 1. Again, do a quick check. Negative times y give you negative y. Negative times 1 give you negative 1. So you have to pay close attention. Okay? Always do a quick check. Then you have y plus 1, y plus 1. So you can factor out the y plus 1. Okay? And so this will be gone. And so the leftover would be x minus 1. Again, when everything is gone, it's 1. Okay? When you factor, everything is 1. And you can check, right? The parenthesis times x will give you this over here, and this times minus 1 will give you this, right? If you don't have that, then you won't be able to get this back. Okay, okay, number 7, you have 3a squared minus 6ab and plus 2a minus 4b. Okay, so again, let's go and do the grouping. So you got 3a squared minus 6ab, put a plus, and so you got 2a minus 4b. This one, you can factor out the 3 and the a. So you're going to get a minus 2b. I can do a quick check. 3a times a give you 3a squared. Negative 3 times 2 give you 6, and alphabet ab, right? So do a quick check. This one you can factor the 2, so you got a minus 2b. Okay? And now you got a minus 2b, a minus 2b. You can factor out the a minus 2b. So when you factor out this, we cancel out. And the leftover would be, this is plus. So it would be 3a plus 2. Okay? Okay, number 9. You have 6e squared minus 2ef minus 9e plus 3f. Okay, so you can first go and group them. Always put a plus between the group. Okay, always put a plus between the group, and this will become minus 9e plus 3f. Okay, so over here, the first half of the group, you can factor out the 2e. So you're going to get 3e minus f. You can do a quick check. Okay, so 2 times 3 give you 6. E times e give you e squared. For this one, negative match. Number 2, alphabet e and f, right? So you can do a quick check. Now this one, again, when you have negative in the beginning, you have to factor the negative. And 3 and 9, you can factor the 3. So you're going to get 3e minus f. Right, I can do a quick check. Negative 3 times 3 give you negative 9. Negative 3 times negative 1 will give you positive 3. Okay? So always do a quick check to make sure. So now you have 3e minus f. You can factor it out. So when you factor out, it's gone. So the leftover would be 2e minus 3. Okay? Okay, number 11. Okay, you have ax plus ay plus 2bx plus 2by. Okay, so I can group them. So ax plus ay, and always put a plus between the group. Okay, so you got 2bx plus 2by. Okay, so first group, you can factor out the a. So you got x plus y. The second group, you can factor out the 2b. So you got x plus y. Then after that, you got x plus y, so you can factor out the x plus y. So when you factor, it's gone. So the leftover would be a plus 2b. Okay, so this is gone, right? Okay, 13. You have e f plus f minus e plus 1. So again, let's go and group them. And always put a plus between the group. And the negative go along with the e. Okay, so negative is part of the term. Okay, so over here, we can factor out the f. So you got e plus 1. Again, when you factor everything, then it's 1. And you can check, right? F times e give you ef. F times 1 give you f, right? If you don't have that, then you're not going to be able to get this one back. Okay, and when you have negative in the front, you have to factor the negative 1. So you're going to get e minus 1. Right? Do a quick check. Negative times e give you negative e. Negative times negative 1 give you positive 1. Okay, and now notice you have problem now. Okay, because what happened is right now they don't match. Okay, so in this case, what you want to do is you want to do a quick check. Okay, to check see if you make a mistake or that is not factorable. In this case, you double check, you find okay, you didn't do any mistakes. So this is not like term, so you cannot factor. Okay, and so this one cannot. Okay, cannot be factored. Okay, let's go to 15. Okay, you got 10xy minus 15y plus ax minus 12. So let's go and group them. So we put a plus between the group. Okay, so you got ax minus 12. Okay, again, let's do one group at a time. So 10 and 15, you can factor out the 5, and you can factor the y. So again, let's go and figure out what goes over here. So to get 10, I need to get 2, right? 5 times 2 give me 10. in the alphabet, I need to get x. So I get xy. Okay, and this one be minus 3, and that's it, right? So again, negative 3 times 5y give me negative 15y. Now over here, you can factor out the 4, so it becomes 2x minus 3. Okay, and now they are the same, so that's okay. See, over here they are different, so you cannot factor. Over here they're the same, so you can go and factor it out. So you got 2x minus 3, so the factor out means they're gone, so you got 5y plus 4. Okay, let's go to 17. You got x to the 3 plus 3x squared minus 2x minus 6. So group them. So you can put a plus between the group. So you're going to get minus 2x minus 6. Okay. Next, you can factor out the x squared. So you're going to get x plus 3. This one you have to factor out the negative 2. So you're going to get x plus 3. Okay. And then you can factor out the x plus 3. And you're going to get x squared minus 2. Okay. And for now, this is as far as you can go. Okay. And that's it.